everyone, and welcome back to another Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are having a look at an Echinocereus, and this particular one is Echinocereus Viridflorus, and it is characterized by these incredibly beautiful flowers, which are sort of a green color with like a purple highlight or stripe running down the center. And this particular plant has all year round interest for most people because it's got beautiful pink spines and a very nice growth habit as well. It's very clean looking and sort of grows more in sort of a column shape. Now this guy here I've had for several years. He's flowered before, but not quite at this level. So as you can see, there's a lot of flowers coming out. And they're absolutely beautiful. I was kind of hoping that they would all open at once, but that was wishful thinking. But still very, very impressive nonetheless. The flowers do not have any scent, so no smell for these. And something interesting about Echinocereus, if you see the that little green, I think it's called a stamen, that bit there, all Echinocereus have green. No other color, so that's something interesting. In terms of difficulty level, they are rather easy to care for, keeping in mind however they like sun, a lot of sun, so give them full sun and they'll be very, very happy. And they have low water requirements as well. You will kill them by overwatering, but all in all they're fairly fuss free. I do find that they are somewhat susceptible to mealybug when younger. The older plants are a little bit more resistant. So the overall difficulty level for this particular plant is going to be around a 5. They're not too complicated, but just keep them a little bit on the drier side and in full sun, and they'll be quite happy. Now the soil mix that I've got this guy in is pretty much my go-to. It comprises of pumice, scoria, and just some other types of pebbles, quartz, and things like that, at around an 80 to 20 ratio, so 80% gravel and 20% organic matter, and I just use potting soil and core peat, and they seem to grow quite happily in this mix. This guy's very wobbly. I just repotted him recently, and if you can believe, he was actually only in a 2-inch pot not too long ago, so he hasn't really filled out his roots just yet, so he's quite wobbly, but that's okay. But anyways, here he is again. It's Echinocereus Viridflorus. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful plant, and I'd recommend this to anyone really, even beginners. Just keep them a little bit drier and give them full sun, and just watch out for mealybugs. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!